If two powerful people have to stay together, they have to understand these three things. First being that only get together if you both respect each other, whether it is a business partnership, a co-founder relationship, or even if it is marriage, if there's a marriage between two really confident, strong-headed people. If you understand that these are my territory and this is my territory, so if the person takes their decisions of that territory, I'm not going to actually go against it, or I may disagree with it, but that's going to be the final call because you have demarcations very clearly established. And the third is that power is not a limited resource. So you don't always have to be, a power up or a power down, that one person is always leading. You can always share that. You both can be in your personal power and still have a thriving growth-based relationship.